Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to copy a page from one Canva project to another. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your source design, the one that contains the page you want to copy. Once you're in that design, look for the grid view option or simply open the thumbnail view at the bottom of your screen. This view makes it much easier to see all your pages at once and select the specific one you need to work with. Now that you have a clear view of all your pages, go ahead and select the page you want to copy. You can do this by clicking directly on the page thumbnail. This highlights the page and lets Canva know this is the element you want to work with. Once the page is selected, you'll notice a small 3 dots icon appear on the page itself. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, click on Copy. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press Ctrl+C on Windows to copy the selected page. This command stores the page temporarily, so you can paste it wherever you need it next. With your page now copied, it's time to switch over to the other project where you want this page to appear. Open that second project in Canva. Make sure it fully loads before proceeding to the next step. This ensures that Canva is ready to receive and properly place your copied content. Once you're in the destination project, click on the specific spot or position where you want the copied page to appear. This could be between existing pages or at the end of your current design. After selecting the location, click on Paste from the menu, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows to paste your page. The page will instantly appear in your new project with all its design elements, text, and formatting perfectly intact. Now here's a common quirk you might encounter. Sometimes Canva automatically adds an extra blank page when you paste content into a project. If this happens, simply select that unwanted blank page and delete it. This keeps your project clean and organized without unnecessary empty pages cluttering your design. And that's it. You've successfully copied a page from one Canva project to another, preserving all your hard work and design elements in the process. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.